Hello everyone. In this video we will see how to make a line graph with multiple lines. So here I have some data. I have the stock prices for 3 companies, and we will see using a line graph how the stock price varies across the months. So in order to make a line graph, we'll select the data first. So in this case I'll select all this data, which is the stock prices for all the months for the 3 companies. Then I'll go to insert, and then here insert line or area chart. There are various kinds of line graphs, but I'll choose the 2D line. So the moment I click on it, the graph is made and you see 3 lines for the 3 companies. So this is how a line graph with multiple lines can be made. So now in this line graph, you can add more lines if you have the data. So assuming if I add one more company, you can include that company in this graph. So let's see how to do that. So I'll begin with just 2 companies first. I'll go to insert. I'll see the line graph. Yeah, so in this case only 2 line graphs. So in this case only 2 lines are shown, one for TCS and Infosys. So now let's say I want to add Wipro also. So what I can do is just right click on the graph, say select data. You can see TCS and Infosys here, but just above that you have entries such as add, edit and remove. So if I say add, I'll be able to add another line. So in this case I'll say Wipro, and here the series values, you can choose the range of values, basically the data for Wipro. So I'll select on it, and then I'll choose the stock prices for Wipro. I'll say enter. Okay, so now you can see 3 lines in the graph. So this is how you can add or remove lines from the chart. So if I want to remove some line, I can do that. Just go to select data again. I can hide them also. So if I want to hide Wipro's data, I'll just select on it. I'll uncheck it and then say okay. It will hide that data. So that line is gone. If I check it again, it will show me that line again. So assuming you don't want the data for Wipro now, you can just go and remove that thing. Just select on it and remove from it, so it will be removed from the chart. So this is how you make a line graph with multiple lines in Excel. Additional features of the chart, like you can change the title, you can just move around the chart, you can resize it, or you can just go to chart design and change the colors that you want, or you can choose from one of the several built-in styles to change the look and format of your chart. So that's all in this video. Thanks for watching the video.